So in this week's face-to-face lecture, we have discussed about maps. So let's have a quick revision what we mean by map. A map helps you to associate elements. Okay. Now can you tell me, by using map you can associate which set? There were two things that were associated by using maps. What were those things? Yes, keys. And second? And secondly? Second is values. Values. Okay. So a map allows you to associate elements from a key set with elements from a value collection. So you can use map when you want to look up objects by using a key. Now if you remember the example that we have discussed in our class, it was based on a map from the names of people to their favorite colors. So in one domain we had name of people, and in another domain we had some colors, and then we had associated the name of people to their favorite colors. You remember? Okay. Yes, Miss Michelle, are you with me? Yes, good. So you remember that example that we have discussed in face-to-face lecture? Yes, you remember that example? Yes, yes, between names and colors. Not sure. Okay, so actually in that example what we had, relation or function. So basically map is a function, okay? If we talk mathematically, we explain mathematically, so we call map as a function, okay? Which holds three things. Firstly, key, secondly, value, and thirdly, association between key and value. So in that example, the names were basically keys and colors were values, and we have association between keys and values. Okay, and we have also discussed that if we want to implement map interface, we will use two things. First one is HASHMAP, and secondly we have TREEMAP. So in today's virtual class, we will see how we can use HASHMAP and TREEMAP to implement our map interface. Now first is HASHMAP. Now here, HASHMAP class uses a hash table to implement the map interface. So this allows the execution time of basic operations such as get and put to remain constant even for large sets. So this is the major advantage of using HASHMAP. Now here we have imported this package, util package, and then we have HASHMAP demo class. Inside this demo class, we have main method. Now you can see over here what we have done. We have created a HASHMAP. So HASHMAP HM, this is the instance variable HM, is equals to new HASHMAP. Now this instance variable will be used to put elements to the map. So here we have HM and we have dot put method, dot put. Now, so you can see over here within double quotes, we have Zara, because Zara is a string. So it has to be within double quotes. Then new double. New double, this is the type, new double. And then the value that we have passed. So this is the key, and this is the value. Now again, hm.put Mehnaz, comma new double 123.22. So here you can see we have some elements that are inserted inside a map by using dot put method. Now this code is used to get a set of entries. So we have set is equals to hm dot entry set. Whole entry set will be retrieved. Here we have created an iterator. Now in this code, what we are doing, we are displaying the elements. So each and every element is fetched and it is displayed one by one until this loop is true. So we have while I dot has next map dot entry and e is equals to map dot entry I dot next. So we are fetching each and every element one by one, and then system dot out dot print me dot get key, and then system dot out dot print ln me dot get value. So what we are doing, first of all, we are fetching the key and then its corresponding value, and then we are printing it. System dot out dot print ln, a new line will be printed. Now if you see this code, in this code we will deposit 1000 into Zara's account. So here we have Zara, and in her account 1000 amount is added. So you have balance plus 1000, and then system dot out dot print ln Zara's new balance, and then dot get Zara. Now can you tell me what will be the output of this program? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes, go through this code, and then tell me the output of this program. This is the first slide. I'll give you 5 minutes, go through it. Yes. Zara 3434.34, okay. Then Mehnaz 123.22, okay. Ayan 1378. Okay, until Qadir. Okay, it will start from Zara and it will go until Qadir. Okay, Daisy 99.22, Qadir minus 190.08. Okay, and after that, this is the output or anything else will be printed. Zara's New Balance. Okay. Okay, that's good. Because 1000 is added to 3434. Okay. Now let's see the output of this program. So this is absolutely right. First of all these keys along with their values are printed. And then Zara's new balance, which is 4434.34. That's absolutely right. Miss Amal, are you with me? Yes. In this example, what we have discussed HASHMAP. Okay. By using HASHMAP, we have implemented map interface. So in this example, first of all, we have entered these values by using put method, okay, and the corresponding values, keys and values. And after that, what we have done, we have displayed these values one by one, because here you have me.getKey and me.getValue. So all keys along with their values are displayed one by one. And after that, there will be a space because you have system.out.println. So there will be a space. And then system.out.println Zara's new balance. And what Zara's new balance is? It is balance plus 1000. So earlier the balance was 3434. This was the balance 3434, and 1000 is added to it, and this key is also printed. So here we get the value of Zara and 1000 is added to it, and then Zara's new balance is displayed on the screen. So we have these keys and their corresponding values and the new balance. Entry me, what it used this new for me. I don't understand your question. Can you please elaborate it? What do you mean by entry me that it used this new for me? What do you mean by for what it used to? Which one? Which one? In first slide or second slide? Entry me. Okay. Here. You're asking about this. Yes, this is used to display elements. This code. this set of code is used to display elements one by one. Okay, so we have a loop over here, while loop, and after that we will go by entries one by one. Display only, yes. It is used to display. Yes, Miss Michelle, you are writing something? I noticed something in the code. Ayan is before Daisy, but in the output it is opposite. 1 minute, let me check. Zara, Mehnaz, Ayan, Daisy, Qadir. Yes, it will be Ayan first and then Daisy next. So make correction. Thank you. Thank you so much for noticing this mistake. Here you should have Ayan first. Okay? Because here we have Ayan before Daisy. Okay? So here you have to make this correction. Here it should be Ayan first and Daisy next. It should be in same sequence in which it was entered. Okay? Now let's move on to TREEMAP. Now here in this TREEMAP, the class is implemented by using a tree. So this TREEMAP provides you an efficient means of storing key and value pairs in sorted order. This is very important. You have to remember that it is in sorted order and it allows rapid retrieval. So you should note it down that unlike a hash map, a TREEMAP guarantees that its element will be stored in ascending key order. Okay. Now you will notice that the program is same. If you see this program, TREEMAP program, this is absolutely same. Same keys we have entered. And same values. Then we have displayed those values, and again 1000 is added in the balance of Zara, and Zara's new balance is printed. Can you tell me what will be the output of the same program if we are using TREEMAP to implement it? Same output. If it will be same output, then what's the use of using TREEMAP? If this program will produce same output, then there will be no use of using TREEMAP. We can use HASHMAP only. To put the element in order. Okay, that's good. You have noticed this thing. So what will be the output of this program? Zara 3434, and after Zara it will, okay, I have written Ayan, Why Ayan first? Mhm. Can you write down complete output? Please write down complete output. Yes, Miss Michelle. No response from your side. What will be the output of this program according to you? Is the order important? This is the difference between HASHMAP and TREEMAP. This thing we have discussed, that TREEMAP provides an efficient mean of storing keys and values pairs in sorted order. So this is most important point. Unlike a HASHMAP, a TREEMAP guarantees that its elements will be sorted in ascending key order. In ascending. Ascending means from small to big. Okay? Descending means from big to small. Okay, Miss Fatima? It's in ascending key order. So from small to big. Okay? So what will be the output? Zara. Zara, why Zara? Zara is, Z is the last alphabet. It's not in descending order, it's in ascending order. So which alphabet should come first? No, not descending, it's in ascending. So which alphabet should, Qadir, why Qadir? Because it is listed in the end, that's why? Qadir, then Daisy, then Ayan. Okay, because you are saying that it will start from bottom to top. Bottom to top. Okay, because its value is small. Because of its value. No. Okay, see the output of this program. See the output. Now what you have noticed? What have you noticed? Okay, see this. The first alphabet. Notice the first alphabet. Yes, order by alphabet. So A comes first. It's in ascending order. So A comes first, then D, then M, then Q, and finally Z. Okay? No, not by value, by key. It is by key. Now it's clear, that's good. Yes, what about others? Yes, it's very good. That's why maps are widely used when we are working with data structures. Okay, in data structures, if you want to store the list of students, and generally the list of students is in ascending order. Those students whose name starts with A, they are listed first. After that, those students whose name starts with B, they are listed next, and so on. So it is used in such cases. So it's been widely used when we are working with data structure. Okay, page number 2. See. No, the program is absolutely same. If you see both these programs, the program is absolutely same, except that this is TREEMAP, not HASHMAP. Okay, because you see on first page what you have TREEMAP. Okay, and in the previous example, here you have HASHMAP. Okay, so this is the difference. Now, if we are using TREEMAP, the keys will be ordered in ascending. Yes? Any doubt? But you can choose between the number and letters. Number and letters. See, here, what is this? What is this? Names, yes. And names are keys. Okay? Names are keys. Yes. And these are values. Okay? These are values. Okay? And since we are using TREEMAP, so it will be used to store key pairs in sorted order. So the key pairs will be sorted first in ascending order, and then their corresponding values will be displayed. Is this point clear? Yes, is this point clear? Good. Yes, what about others? Good. Yes, Ms. Fatima, this is clear? Okay, that's good. If you have any question, you may ask, please. Related to TREEMAP, related to HASHMAP. If you have any question, you may ask. Okay, I will mail her. I have her email ID. I will email her. What's her problem? Can't enter the session. This session. Virtual session, you mean? So maybe there is some problem with her Blackboard, I think. Okay, regarding her second assignment. Okay, she has problem regarding her. Okay, okay, I'll see. I'll see. I have to ask. I told her that I have to ask regarding that because it's too late now. So I have to ask and I'll mail her. Whatever the response will be, I'll mail her. So today's slide, I will upload it on Blackboard. You can download it from there and see you in, what do you think about writing the program? What's the important thing? Regarding writing a program, firstly, you should know whenever any object is given to you, you should know the logic of that program. First, create logic. Once logic is created, then use proper syntax to implement that code. So you should be familiar with the functions, methods that are used with corresponding subject. So if we are talking about TREEMAP, you should know what are the methods which are associated with TREEMAP. Like we have put method, we have get method, these are used with TREEMAP. So firstly, make logic and then try to implement it by using syntax of that programming language. Okay? So you have to practice a lot. To make yourself expertise in this field, you have to do lots of practice. Like these codes, it will not be like these codes. It's just for your practice purpose. But if you will practice it, it will be helpful for you to do your exams. It will be helpful in your exams as well. Anything else? See you in next face-to-face lecture, inshallah. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.